will indeed listen, but never understand. And you will indeed look, but never perceive. This people's heart has grown dull, and their ears are hard of hearing, and they have shut their eyes, so that they might not look with their eyes, and listen with their ears, and understand with their heart and turn, and I would heal them. Matthew chapter 13, 13 to 16. Holy Bible, the hearts of the people have been darkened by the deception of 1/3 of the heavenly host, who are driven by hatred for their lack of humanity. But the Creator, who loved his creation, sacrificed his life in great pain as Jesus, paying for all the sins of deception within humans, and commanded his disciples, "All authority in heaven and on earth has been given to me. Go therefore and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and the Son and of the Holy Spirit, and teaching them to obey everything that I have commanded you." Matthew chapter 28, 16, 20. Holy Bible, turn away from the sins that Satan, who is jealous in lack of humanity, has introduced into your life, and embrace the holiness of your Creator. From my diary of the 14th of March 2026, Godspell Key to Subasa 95,220.